Hello students, in today's lecture we will study the methods of issue of shares. In that last part one is what? Private placement. Now how you will remember the private placement? First, the meaning. What is the private placement? When the company offers the securities to a selected group of person which is not more than 200, then it is private placement. म्हणजेच काय, तर ज्यावेळेस कंपनी आपल्या सिक्युरिटीज एका ठराविक विशिष्ट ग्रुपला इश्यू करते पण ज्यांची संख्या 200पेक्षा जास्त नसणार आहे अशा मेथडला काय म्हणणार आहात? प्रायव्हेट प्लेसमेंट. बरोबर. नाव who has decide the selected group? The board of director will decide or identify the person which are included in the selected group. Who are they? They can be a mutual fund or they can be an institutional investor. Now what is the method to issue shares under private placement? The company has to send the offer letter along with the applicants, right? Now what is the value of shares which is issued under the private placement? The shares which can be offered under the private placement can be a fully or partly paid up, and the consideration, it means कंपनीने जे शेअर्स ऑफर केलेले आहेत त्याची किंमत कंपनीला शेअर सबस्क्राईब करणारे कसे देतील? तर इट मे बी इन द चेक और इट मे बी इन द डिमांड ड्राफ्ट बट नॉट इन द cash. And again, the one important thing that the company has to take the permission from the shareholders to a special resolution for issue of shares under the private placement. So students, what is the private placement? When company is offering the securities to a selected group of person which is not more than 200 is called private placement. Who will decide? The board of directors will select or identify the person who are included in the selected group. Then company has to send an offer letter with the application. The shares are fully or partly paid up, and the amount or the consideration will be given up to the company in the form of a demand draft or check, but not by the cash. And again, if the company want to issue the shares under the private placement, then the company has to take the permission by the shareholders through a special resolution. Now there are the two methods or two ways to issue the shares under private placement. Private placement च्या अंडर जर का कंपनीला आपले शेअर्स इश्यू करायचे असतील तर कंपनीला दोन पद्धती आहे किंवा दोन मेथड्स आहे. विच आर दे? The first one is right issue and second one is preferential allotment. Now this right issue already we have studied under the offering shares to the existing equity shares holders. So the students just go through that video. You will get a meaning or you will get a clear idea about the right issue of shares. Now what is the preferential allotment? See, the preferential allotment, it means when the company issues the specified security, that is equity shares or securities which is converted into equity shares in the future to a selected group of person on preferential basis, then it is known as what? Preferential allotment. याचाच अर्थ काय? तर कंपनी काही ठराविक सिक्युरिटीज, मग त्या सिक्युरिटीजमध्ये एकतर काही सिक्युरिटीज असतील किंवा काही इक्विटी काही शेअर्स असतील, आणि कोणत्या सिक्युरिटीज अशा सिक्युरिटीज ज्या भविष्यामध्ये इक्विटी शेअर्समध्ये कन्वर्ट केल्या जाऊ शकतात त्याही काही सिलेक्टेड ग्रुपला दिल्या जातात ऑन प्रिफरन्शियल बेसिस. पहिल्या फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट बेसिसच्या याच्यावरती. इट इज नोन ॲज वॉट? प्रिफरन्शियल allotment. To whom the company will offer the preferential allotment? The company will offer the preferential allotment to the promoter, existing equity shareholders, employee or venture capitalistic. Now who are the venture capitalists? Which are the venture capitalistic? It means those institutions who are provide capital to the companies which in high growth in potential in futures. म्हणजेच काय, तर कंपनी प्रिफरन्शियल अलॉटमेंट कोणाला देते? तर एक तर प्रमोटर जो कंपनीचा ओनर एस्टॅब्लिशर असतो, किंवा आपले जुने शेअर होल्डर्स, किंवा कंपनीचे कामगार, किंवा व्हेंचर कॅपिटलिस्टिक. मग व्हेंचर कॅपिटलिस्टिक म्हणजेच काय, तर अशा कंपन्या की ज्या कंपनीचे कॅपिटल विकत घेतात. केव्हा घेतात? ज्यांना कळतं की भविष्यामध्ये या कंपनीचा ग्रोथ चांगला आहे, भविष्यामध्ये कंपनी सक्सेसमध्ये जाईल, तर अशी त्यांना काय म्हटलं जातं? व्हेंचर capitalistic. The shares offers are how is the value of the shares? Shares are fully paid up and the applicants have to pay the consideration in cash. See, in the last we are seeing that private placement. In that private placement, the shares are fully or partly paid up, but the consideration will be received in the demand draft, right, or check, but not in the cash. But under the preferential allotment, the consideration will be received in the cash. Again they are not having the voting right, म्हणजेच प्रिफरन्शियल अलॉटमेंटच्या शेअर्सच्या अंडर सबस्क्राईब केलेल्या शेअर्सना वोटिंग राईट नसतो. अप्रुव्हल ऑफ शेअर होल्डर्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ स्पेशल रिझोल्युशन, अगेन इट इज needed to make the preferential allotment. Companies usually go for preferential allotment at it. It is not only time consuming and also involves less paperwork and formalities. As the less time consuming, less paperwork and less formalities, company prefer to issue the shares under the preferential allotment. Now see the extra information. What is the difference between the private and preferential allotment? Private, we are already learn the meaning that securities offered to a selected group of person, not more than 200. And preferential allotted, it means selected securities. It may be the equity shares or it may be a security which are converted into equity shares in the future date, which is offered by the company to only selected group on preferential basis. Then it is known as what? Preferential allotment. It is the shares which are offered under the private placement are fully or partly paid up, but the shares which are offered under the preferential allotment are only fully paid up. And private placement offer later has the company has to give to the shareholder, but no such document are issued in preferential allotment, right? Now what is the buyback or buyback of shares or security? It means when the company again purchase their own shares or other specified securities at a higher price than its market price. It means what? Buyback of shares. म्हणजेच कंपनी आपले स्वतःचे शेअर्स किंवा आपल्या स्वतःच्या सिक्युरिटीज मार्केटच्या किमतीपेक्षा जास्त किमतीने विकत घेते तेव्हा त्याला म्हटलं जातं बायबॅक शेअर्स. नाउ इन दॅट बायबॅक, existing shareholders on the proportionate basis of their shareholding and existing employees who are issued ESOS or sweat equity shares किंवा open market. पण कंपनी आपले शेअर्स केव्हा खरेदी करू शकते? when the company having the sufficient balance in the free reserve, securities premium account, proceed of issue of any other shares, right? So the student just go through the topic.